In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Calendly. Calendly is an intuitive and user-friendly tool that simplifies managing appointments, and today we're going to dive into setting up an event step by step. To begin with, you'll need to head over to Calendly's homepage. Once you're there and logged into your account, let's get started by creating a new meeting. Look towards the top left corner of the page, and you will see a Create button. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll notice a pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your main control panel for customizing your meeting details. In this pop-up, the first thing you can do is change the meeting name. This will help your invitees understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Directly below the name option, you'll also find the duration settings where you can select how long you want your meeting to last. Standard options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes are often available, but you can customize the duration to fit your needs. Next, you have the option to choose the meeting location. Whether you prefer conducting your meetings through Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or other platforms, Calendly allows you to set this up easily. Simply pick the service you intend to use, and Calendly will take care of the tech details behind the scenes, ensuring seamless integration. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore additional settings by clicking on More Options. You'll discover a variety of advanced features that can enhance your scheduling experience. For instance, you might want to add a detailed description of your meeting agenda. This is particularly useful when inviting participants who are new to the topic or need to come prepared. Moreover, setting a limit on the number of participants can be critical for maintaining an organized session, especially if you're hosting a workshop or a class where managing a large crowd might not be feasible. Alongside participant limits, Calendly offers buffer times. These buffer periods are handy for giving yourself a breather between back-to-back meetings or accommodating any overruns without stress. Once you've fine-tuned your event to your liking, take a moment to review all the information. Everything looks good? Now it's time to hit that Save Changes button, sealing all your personalized settings. And just like that, you've successfully scheduled your meeting. Calendly takes away the hassle of email tags and calendar mishaps, making the process of arranging a meeting straightforward and efficient. Make sure to share the generated link with your attendees so they can easily join your well-organized session. Enjoy smoother scheduling with Calendly, and thanks for watching.